Welcome back, everyone. New at 9, studies show 1 in 5 older adults in the U.S. experience a mental health illness. According to reports, for seniors, that number's on the rise, too. Joining us here in studio this morning, Danielle Hartman, President and CEO of Rales Jewish Family Services in Boca Raton. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Your organization just got a grant.
Yes.
Tell me about the grant and how the money will be used.
Yes, so we just got a grant from the Rales Foundation to expand our psychiatry services in the community. It's a huge need. We have a national shortage and a shortage here in Palm Beach County for affordable psychiatric services. We have not enough psychiatrists and a really great need for psychiatric services for all ages. So this grant is going to allow us to consult with Dr. Susan Lehman from Johns Hopkins University over the next year, and she's going to help us develop a more expanded program and hire a full-time psychiatrist to provide affordable psychiatric services to the community. So we're very excited.
And when you say the need is great, and you know, there's not a balance of the need and the help. Is that a national epidemic, or is that something you're just seeing locally?
Yes, there's a national shortage of psychiatrists, and so FAU has actually a psychiatry program within their medical school. They started that 2 years ago as a result of the national shortage, and we've been working with them, and next summer the third-year psychiatry students are going to be placed at our agency so that they can actually have their third-year placements and provide psychiatry there. So we're aware of it locally. It is a national issue.
For someone watching right now who has a loved one, you know, a senior citizen in their life, and they say they need help, you know, what's the first step? You know, what do they do as they're watching you right now? You know, what do they do to get them that help?
Right. So the first thing is to reach out for help. If, you know, whether they can encourage their loved one to do it or whether they call and ask for help themselves for their loved one. You know, this is National Suicide Prevention Month, and there was a report that came out recently showing there's an increased death rate by suicide of older adults because of depression and anxiety issues. So if you can call either our agency, which our number is 561-852-3333. You can also call 211. They have a suicide hotline. But the big thing is to ask for help.
Take that step, ask for help, and before we let you go, send us to your website too. Where can people go? You know, we have the phone number to call. Where else can they go?
Sure. So you can access our website at ralesjfs.org, and it has a full list of all of our services and where you can go to get help too.
Right. And you heard it from Danielle. Take that step. If you're watching this and a loved one needs help, reach out. Danielle, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Terry will send it over to you.
All right. Thank you, Ashley. It may have been the most intense